Wow, that is expensive. Happy Monday. I feel like that voice is really annoying, I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm just going to do a little workout at the gym today. It is so hot today. It's only 9:45 right now and it is already 26 degrees. It's going to be a top of 33, so yep, that is a hot day. I just got this singlet in from Austin to Iris. It's actually so cute. It's got that little sign at the back. So I just got out of the shower. That is why my hair looks like this right now. It's so fuzzy. You guys are actually always asking me to show you what my hair looks like natural. Pretty wet at the moment, but this is pretty natural. Anyways, I am just going to make myself something to eat for lunch. I just don't really know what I feel like right now, but I'll just have a look at what we've got in the fridge and whip something up. This combination is actually so good. So it is a little bit later in the day now. I've had such a relaxing start to my day today. This last few weeks have been absolutely crazy and I have not had the kind of time that I've had this morning to just go to the gym and do things slowly. I've just been running around like a headless chook. Anyways, I'm going to get started on creating a new style video this afternoon. They typically take me around 2 or 3 days to make, just depending on how many outfits I have and all the rest of it. So I'm thinking I'm going to do 3 different pairs of black trousers and I'm gonna style them 10 different ways. Right, it's currently 7:30 and I'm going to call it a day on work. So I was able to shoot all the outfits for the style video. All I need to do tomorrow is the intro, the outro, and all the narration through the video. But the longest part is definitely done, which I'm very happy about. It is literally so hot right now. I think it's about 35 degrees. I just got changed because it was so hot. So I've actually got quite a busy day today. Pretty much I'm going for high tea this morning with my mum. And after that I've got about 3 different jobs that I need to shoot this afternoon for holiday content for Instagram. Hence why I got these fancy little sparkly nails put on. And I've also got to finish shooting that style video and editing the style video that I started creating yesterday. So that will definitely take me pretty much the whole night to do, I think. I've also got a Christmas party in my apartment building complex this evening. And I'm also going to go to the gym after that. So yeah, I have a pretty busy day. I think I'll definitely be able to get everything done. I think I'll just be working until pretty late in order to get everything done. I'm just trying to put on a bit of extra makeup than what I usually would. I'm hoping this will last me until about 8 p.m. tonight. I think it's currently like 10 a.m. My eyebrows are literally so uneven right now. I really need to get them threaded or reshaped or whatever, but I just haven't really had a chance. Why do they look so different? They're like such different shapes. I remember someone once said to me that eyebrows should be sisters, not twins, but mine are literally not even in the same family right now. Like, this is not a good look. I need to get these fixed. Anyways, I'm just going to decide what to wear now and head to the city. Oh wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
No. It's so hard. I know. I'm using my wrong hand. No, I'm not. Actually, it's my right hand. Alright. Oh, yeah. Got it. That is the weirdest gift I've ever seen. So fancy. I think I'm going to try this eclair. Minty. Mint eclair. Ooh. Hello. I'm just heading out to the Christmas party. I just got these 2 new necklaces. This one's from Sarah and Sebastian and this one is from Cinco. I'm not really wearing anything that exciting given we are just going downstairs, but I have on my black new denim singlet and I'm also wearing these white jeans from Victoria and Woods and these sandals, which you guys probably have just seen in my last style video, but they are from Haru. Also, it just dropped 15 degrees outside. So I think it's only about 20 degrees now, meaning I might even need a little jumper on top. I might just bring this with me as well. time to go. I think it's around 10:30 p.m. ish. I'm just going to push on and hopefully I can upload this video tonight. So it is currently 12:39 a.m. is going to go live right now. I'm going to go to bed now. I have never seen cherry tomatoes this small. So cute. This avocado looks so good. I'm having half an avocado, tin of tuna, some cherry tomatoes, and some toast. Such a productive morning, which is so good. I'm wearing such a simple outfit today. Pretty much I'm just wearing those same white jeans that I was wearing the other day. I've got on this white Anine Bing singlet, which I'm actually going to be shooting later today for a sponsored post that I'm doing with Anine Bing. I'm wearing my black weekday store hoodie because it's kind of cold today, classic Melbourne, and I'm just wearing some blue high top Converses. I've had my mum's vintage film camera for a few years now. It's such a good camera, I absolutely love it, but I felt like the last few times I've used it, it hasn't really been working as well as it used to. So Nick and I are going to head to a camera shop this evening and see if they know why it's not working 100%.
Flying Jack.
So red.
Softer than I was expecting.